Hi guys, in this tutorial you're going to learn how to achieve this beautiful structure design that you can put on your dresses, on your fascinators, or anywhere where you want some elegance. So we're going to be using boning in order to achieve this look. So if you love to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and give it a thumbs up. So I have my boning here, and I'm also going to be using my fabric. So I'll just measure the width of my boning, and I'll get that measurement plus extra inches, extra is. Then I'll get my fabric, I'll fold it, then I'm going to stitch it and take it to my sewing machine. Then after stitching it on the wrong side, I'm going to turn it to the right side. So this is the wrong side. I'm going to use my safety pin to turn it to the right side. So after turning this to the right sides, I'm going to get my boning and I'm going to increase it. This is the boning that I'm using. I'm going to increase it into my little creasing, as you can see. Then after inserting it, this is the structured design that it gives. So you can put it on your dress, you can put it anywhere in your fascinators or anywhere where you want some elegance. So if you found this video useful, please kindly subscribe, give it a thumbs up. You can share it with other people, and see you next time. Thanks for watching.